Alright, hey, this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Yeah, and today we start another Meet the Manufacturer series. I've got my shirt and hat that was sent by the nice folks at Noodles Accompanied by Happiness. Thank you very much. Check this hat out. It says Noodles Accompanied by Happiness in Chinese. Check that out. Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty neat. Thanks. I really can't gush more over the fact that their packaging is just so neat. So this one is I believe this is their sesame. This is their sesame paste flavor. Check it out. They got all these people partying up. There's the noodles. They're at the beach. You can see islands around and stuff. And there's hot air balloons in the sky. And it's nice. But you might say, oh wait, they're not social distancing. I think this is about happiness when you don't have to deal with that crap. You know what I mean? It'll be nice when that's all done. I hope eventually it will be all done. But yeah, one of those packs, you get a few of these. Take a look. One thing was for sure, I really like Taiwanese dry noodle a lot. Let's get this one cooking. The noodles. Whoop. Ouch. Ouch. And this takes 6 to 7 minutes. So I'm going to do it for 6.5. There we go. So, what else we got here? Here is your sesame paste. And then this, I'm guessing, is basically soy sauce. Pretty basic, not a lot going on, but as I've always said, the Taiwanese are masters of simplicity. I know for a fact that this is going to be freaking good. Whoa, don't boil over. This is like old to me now. Because I know dry noodle likes to boil over. Don't boil over. Don't do it. Just boil just enough without boiling over. But yeah, how was you guys this weekend? It's Monday, July 27th? Really? Really? Yes. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's the 27th. So this weekend was Pokemon Go Fest for those who are into Pokemon Go. I know. I even ordered a shirt. It showed up today. Go Fest is over. It's lame. I wanted to wear it during the thing, but now I've got one. It's like, oh yeah, Go Fest 2020. But yeah. So, got up at the butt crack of dawn, because it's supposed to start on Saturday morning, right? For some reason I thought it started at 6 a.m. So, I get up, and I get out, and I start walking around, and looking for junk. I can't find anything. As it turns out, it actually starts at 10. So before 10, I walked up and down the street, and went and spun Pokestops. That's where you get like Pokeballs and other stuff. I sound like a total dweeby nerd, don't I? It's okay. It's actually a lot of fun. And then at 10 o'clock, all of a sudden, it's just like all sorts of Pokemon. Stuff that's hard to find, things like that. So. But I did all the research quest things and got all the special prizes and did all that stuff. So it was a successful Go Fest for me. I got lots of good stuff. So, and we went up to my hometown of Anacortes. What up? What up, A-Town? And we went on a big walk. We went, where did we go? From my folks' place, we walked and we went up D Hill, which is a pretty steep hill. And then we cut around through like Island View Place, which was when they built the oil refinery up there. They built that as like housing for workers when they were building the refinery. It must have been a long process, but yeah. And so there's a lot of neat little ramblers up there. And then like came down, go by the swimming pool, and then like up this way you got Island View Elementary School, which I went to. This way you've got the high school, which I went to. Then you go straight and boom, there's the junior high, which I went to, and it resembles a prison. All around it, all around all the schools and stuff, you got churches, and then you've got the National Guard Armory, you know. And we did that. Then we got down to the main drag and walked down that. Got some stuff at the store for me to do a barbecue when we got back with my sister. And just enjoyed the weather because it was just a freaking beautiful day. It was like the nicest day I've seen up in Anacortes in years. It was just primo. The bluest sky you can imagine up there. It's a trip. But yeah, so we did that. That was fun. Got home like at 1 a.m. And everybody slept in really late yesterday. I slept in until 10 a.m. yesterday. No joke. That was like the most sleep I've gotten in forever. And wow. I felt like I was on some kind of speed or something because it was like I felt so freaking good. Probably because I got all that sleep. I felt like I was just gonna like bounce off the wall. I'm like, seriously. Anyway, back to dry noodles. These are, well, they look to me to be like factory dried. So what they do is they got machines, they push them out into these little trays, and then they go into these rooms that have like these big fans. And it basically excuse me, gets all the moisture out, and yeah, it's rad. I've been to a couple of these places down in Taiwan. No, I went to a dry noodle factory in Taiwan, and I went to like 5 in one day in Taichung, and it's pretty neat. It's really neat, I think. Just the sheer amount of noodles that they can make in like one shot. It's pretty cool. Takes a lot of space to make all those noodles too. You've got ones I remember seeing there that like had this machine had all these little arms on it, and they just had like 8 feet long strands of noodles just hanging and drying. It's really neat. All right, enough said about that. Let's drain these noodles. They smell good. I mean, there's nothing on them, but I like the way dry noodles smell. It just smells good. There's like so few ingredients. It's like water, flour, and salt. I think. Not much going on. So for those who don't like long named ingredients, Taiwanese dry noodle usually tends to be pretty slim on the ingredients, at least on all the preservatives and stuff. So here I'm gonna put in the paste. It does kind of taste like peanut butter. It works good. You know, it's sesame paste, so that's the tahini kind of thingy. But it's not like sesame oil. That's a completely different thing. Like if you get sesame dry noodle in Taiwan, it's not gonna taste like sesame oil. That's for certain. We found that out the hard way. My wife likes sesame oil flavor, and we got some, and she was shocked with what she ended up having because she hates peanut butter. Me, on the other hand, I'm like so into peanut butter it's not even funny. Come on, out of my... Wow. Thick and thick and thick and thickening. There's a lot of seasoning in this one. All right. So this is noodles accompanied by happiness. This is a pretty standard noodle gauge I've seen in dry noodle. Did that just get on the lens? It did. That's horrible. Oh yeah, there's a big old sploosh on my lens. Here, let me clean it. Hold on. Due to technical issue of getting some sesame paste on the lens, the program will resume in a moment. Well, this is the program, but I'm not gonna... Yummy. Okay. Okay, lens. Now how are we looking? Better. Okay. Cheers. Wow. There is a lot of sesame paste in this one. That is a generous amount of sesame paste. I think we will use this one. I think in this one I just want to use a little beef. This is good. Wow. Tease it out. Gotta tease out the noodles. Tease, tease, tease. I just want to eat that. I just want to eat all of it. Okay, can you see? Kinda. got some beef. The camera decided that it couldn't handle being upright. I'm going to go with a little fried onion topping. Some spring onion. And what's that? Oh no. A little pepper flake. And finally, since it is sesame, might as well, you know, pay homage to sesame seeds with sesame seeds. I am going to call that a work of art. So, time for Rotato to do the rotation. Here we go. And boom. All right, well, very cool. Thanks to the folks over at Noodles, accompanied by Happiness, for shooting this over. And yeah, this is the first of 4 reviews I'll be doing of their products during this Meet the Manufacturer. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.